Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we're going to dive into an exciting project creating a cool self-destructive button using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This button, when clicked, performs a unique action. Stick around to learn how to build it from scratch. Let's start by setting up the HTML structure for our button. Take a look at this code. It's a simple web page with a button. Pay attention to the button's ID and class attributes, as they'll be essential for our project. Now we need to make our button look cool. This is where CSS comes in. The code you see on the screen defines how our button will appear. Check out the button's color, size, and the neat hover effect. But what makes our button truly special is its interactivity, and that's where JavaScript comes into play. This JavaScript code connects our button and makes it do something fun. Here's the exciting part. You can customize the button's action to make it unique. Instead of making it disappear, you can make it do something else, like displaying a message or even redirecting to another web page. Get creative and experiment with different actions to make it your own. So, that wraps up our tutorial on creating a cool self-destructive button using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. You've seen how to set up the HTML, style it with CSS, add interactivity with JavaScript, and even customize its action. If you found this tutorial helpful, please show your support by liking this video, subscribing to our channel for more exciting projects, and don't forget to share this video with your fellow programmers. Now let's put our button to the test. I'll click it, and you'll see the customized action we've added in action. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding!